Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have lobster and shrimp.
And egg.
Should we call it a seafood boil?
It's a seafood boil because it's a lobster. Lobster is seafood.
Okay, so it's a seafood boil. But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you missed it, so she brought it back. So hope you like it because I love it. What we got here first?
So what we have is some shrimps, some lobsters, eggs, sausage, corn, and I have a side of rice. The hubby didn't want any rice, but if you change your mind,
I'm gonna eat some of the rice.
and you want some rice,
I never tell you I never want the rice.
you can have some rice.
And then first they didn't want to tell you the Stimmy's in the building, so we brought that to you with the Stimmy. She took my portion. It's all good though. I came home, I said, man, I smell seafood as I pull up in the garage. I said, smell seafood. When I looked, it was on the shrimps. So I said, where the rest of the meat? Bust the oven on me. I said, oh, lobster from the Stimmy. They in the building. So you know when I have one of this, you know it's time to go. Okay, eat?
Come on.
Please, thank you.
Come on. Come on.
Wow.
Drink my, see, let me drink my first lady.
First lady?
My drink out of my first lady's cup. Courtesy of Twin Green. Thank you very much.
Twin Green. Courtesy of Twin Green right here, the Beard Gang. How does it taste?
It tastes better in here.
You know I gotta bring out the Richie. No more cheapest cold. No what? Cold, I don't remember my name.
And cheapest water bottle.
No more cheapest water bottle. Right now, Richie water bottle in the building. Here, family. Take a sausage. Take a little piece. You okay?
Pepper.
Oh, it's alright. Let's see. Man, you did good today. Oh. Family. First day they got me today.
Amen.
I never ate lobster like this before. Thank God for that Stimmy. First day you did good.
Thank you, baby.
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
You look like a preppy black girl.
What do you say sometimes? Let me tell you something. I've had this shirt in my closet with the tag on. No lie. Probably 4 years.
No cap.
And I got it from Fashion Nova.
Fashion Nova in the building. You know what? I
I know, I shouldn't give a shout out, right? But I can't lie. And it was something about this shirt that really caught my eye. And I was like, no, I gotta get it. I just never wore it.
Family, this is delicious. First lady, I appreciate this meal today. I didn't even know I was coming home to. I was like, yeah, whatever it is, I'm gonna tear it up. But yo, you gave me that lobster. Family, be honest. Be honest with you. I could count how many times I ate lobsters on my fingers. It's not a lot. I'm not a lobster. You think you the first time I eat lobster? No? First day you made me do a lot of stuff. First day did the first for a lot of stuff. Never ate lobster till the first day they gave me because I couldn't afford it. I was broke. Yeah, I was broke now. First day they saved me. No? I'm telling you the truth, family. First day they made me eat a lot of stuff. I ain't gonna lie. No cap. No cap, B.
But that's what a relationship is supposed to be.
Yeah, you put me on enough things first day.
And you put me on enough things too. You know?
I ain't gonna go around the bush with family. First they make me a lot of stuff. First lady is the engine, even though she pissed me off sometimes.
Yeah.
No. Not one, not two. You buy about 10 pieces of lobster, man.
Yeah, man.
God damn it, in the building.
Yep. See how it looks, family?
That looks good.
See how it looks?
It looks good.
Yeah, man.
I gave you a napkin?
Yeah, I took one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Berman.
nothing. Yeah, man. We could get everything
I'm
because
sorry.
enough money me spending up.
I'm sorry. I can't give you another lobster today.
That's messed up.
I just told you the story. And you didn't want, you know what I mean? And you still want a piece of family. I could give you a piece of the shrimp. I have a lot of shrimp and I give you a piece of sausage. But lobster's family, sorry, I can't give you a piece of the lobster today. Okay, I'm sorry about that. We still cool though, you know? I know you eat lobster all the time. Let me dig in. It's good. Man. Wow. You did good. So first lady mom is coming soon.
She is.
Let's see Mama Dukes.
This is so good.
Good. Good in the word. Let me taste your lobster. I tried chicken.
It's the same lobster.
I tried lobster, give me. I think like two are good.
Who put this here? Tamia?
I don't know.
I think she did.
Yo, Tom. I ain't gonna lie, B.
Just bad.
What?
Oh, wait a minute. I hope you guys had a great weekend.
They sure did. I could tell. Yeah, don't be mad. Please.
And the aftertail is cooked perfectly. It's not hard. Even though I like it hard. But the lobster tail is not hard.
Damn, first lady. You got me today, man.
I got you.
Got me today.
When she called me from work, and he was like, I'm hungry. You know the drill. I already told you guys. And I was like, I'm never going to tell him that I'm making lobster tail.
First they didn't want to tell me. I'm sorry for the noise, but I gotta get my trash right. Damn.
The shrimps are cooked really good today.
Shrimp's always cooked good.
It's like extra juicy. I get these shrimps from Sam's. The colossal one.
What's the size?
Or these ones 13, 15.
You know the size.
You're damn right.
I never know shrimp had size, you know? You know what, 13, 15?
Yep, the less in the bag, the more big they are. The bigger they are.
Wow.
Yeah, man. When you have 50, 60, or 55, 60, I don't want that.
And too big.
Baby shrimps.
Okay.
That means what they're saying is that 55 shrimps can come in a bag.
Oh, wow.
You don't want that. I want 13 to 15 shrimps to be in the bag.
Yeah, see? There you go. There we go. Alright. Sorry. I can't do that to y'all, man. I can't do that to the family. Even though I said I'm not going to give them a little piece, but I'm going to give them a little piece first, lady. I can't do
But
that.
I'll give them none.
I can't do that to the family. Family rising with
You
us,
feed
man.
them.
Excuse me. Family. My first time. See, I never know to eat lobster, I know. Don't judge me. I don't know to eat lobster, so what? I'm new to it. Yeah. Here you go.
I didn't want to put too much stuff because we already have.
Yeah.
You understand?
This is perfect.
Perfect amount of stuff.
Okay, sit down. Take a piece now. And there we go. There we go. Ooh, okay, here. I'm gonna dip it. And then I'm gonna taste it for y'all. Wow. Red lobster ain't got nothing on that.
Red Lobster ain't got nothing on me?
Red lobster ain't got nothing on you, Tom. Get good. Family? No
You have
cap.
to dance, man. You have to dance. When the food good, man, you have to.
I hope you like First Lady outfit. And I hope you had a wonderful week. I know she asked you already, but wow. Family, have you tried the sun kiss? Berry something, berry lemonade. All right, Tom. Well, I want to start again. Give me the sausage.
There's such a right there.
One, give me.
That's why I gave you two.
One.
I gave you two.
One
That's
piece.
our life.
One piece of sausage, give me.
Two me give you.
Oh my God, this food is delicious.
It's very good.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Yo. This cup is nice. Twin Green, appreciate you again.
Some tastes better than it.
You know what it is. Do see if it tastes better than it, Twin Green.
Man, I can go to my one show.
Drink on your first lady. First lady in the building. Wow. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you something. Oh man! So when you come up on some a little bit of money, you treat yourself, man.
You gotta treat yourself with so you get a little bit of money, man. We ain't gonna lie.
Not gonna lie, I'm excited for the lobster tail, them man.
Exactly. Excited for lobster to their freak. I was surprised. When the first time you dropped that oven, I couldn't believe it. I jumped. I said, what? Mr. Stimmy in the building.
He ain't hold back either.
Now treat yourself. And we bring it for y'all. One can see if we make it with a lot of napkin.
A lot of napkins.
I know what you're free. Wow. Wow.
You ever eat something and you don't have much words to say?
Don't forget, if you want to send us something, link in the description. P.O. Box is ready and active. You already know. I'm not going to say it. My shirt size, small, and my pants, 30, skinny. No. That's all I'm saying. So don't push. Make a line. It's a lot to go around. Yeah, I'm gonna for like more. Hey, you know king crab today? Lobster, what's that?
Woo!
Full? Good.
I'm getting there.
Timing. She's full. Down there.
These are shells for me.
You think I'm a full boy and lobster there? I don't want to put no lobster back in the fridge. And you put it down and go with it.
Oh, excuse me.
Family. Damn.
What you about to say?
A lot of family members said they did like the what you call it?
The what?
Catered. Damn. What the fuck?
Butter?
Lobster butter.
That's like one. It's really good. And very easy to cook it like that. You throw it in the oven.
Wow. You gave me that crunch time.
Crunch time.
Yeah.
Would you believe, I don't know which one, but one of those big-headed kids, that's our straws already?
Yep.
My gosh, they move fast, man, like a
Next time we tell
ninja.
them, don't touch it.
I tell you. Man.
Lemon is alive there.
One lime?
Sweet one.
Lemon?
Yeah, lemon.
Ooh.
Alright. Let me get all up in her. Get all up in my lobster, girl. Wow. The lobster looks like a man.
Excuse me.
My lobster. A man lobster, oh, my lobster, give me. You have a different?
Nope. Not that I know of.
Oh, sorry. Enjoy my steaming money now. Leave me away from leave me my lobster. Enjoy my steaming. You lucky I can't eat the shell.
The shrimp from Sam's, I like it better.
Let them know the size of you. They might bite.
It's sweet.
Yo.
Yes. Yes. It's good.
God damn.
Okay.
Ain't no cheapest water bottle no more, B. Straight like that.
Yeah, something. You know what? Nobody can chat to me now, innit? Nobody can talk to me now.
First, I got one cup, son. Drink on the first lady cup again, yeah.
Wrap it up.
First lady, and that ain't light work right now.
Yeah, man.
And ladies, if you need to holler at first lady about anything, hit us in the Gmail, your email. You know what I'm saying? It's down there also.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you guys.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. I'm gonna tell you guys a quick story real quick.
Tell the story.
The email address that's in the description box, that is the correct one. So if you send an email and I did not respond or we did not respond,
Yes.
I'm very sorry. Because I totally forgot that was the email that we had in the description. I'm checking a different email and I saw some family members emailed us from like a month ago. I feel so bad. Shit,
Well,
2 months ago.
Well, we got back to them.
But we got back to them. But Richie took me off of email duty. He said he's gonna watch the email because
I watch the email in the P.O box.
so Richie's very good with stuff like that. So if you send an email to us asking us for advice or just want to talk to us, we will respond because Richie is controlling that and he's very good with stuff like that. So I'm so sorry. I felt so bad.
Well explained, though.
Yeah.
Well explained.
No, you can't have that one. That one's pork.
Yo, Mike, so why you gonna put pork thing, Mike, for your thing, Mike, that you know say you're not it, man? You see family is about to go bite it, you know?
And that one is pork. Eat the egg.
Damn, son, I wanted to tell man. Yeah, man. Cause I don't know where you gonna put the thing in family. I was about to go bite it, you know? Good thing she tell me, you know? Wow.
Yeah, it's pork.
Wow. I get you in a long time.
You sure did not. You catch me today, do it.
Shut here. Family, I ain't gonna lie. That lobster was banging. We deserve it.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we got today? Alright, family, for my good peoples right now. For my greedy fam. First day.
I'm so full.
Damn.
I can't eat another bite. I'm sorry.
I could. I'm gonna eat my egg too. Family. First lady. Wow. Sometimes it's good to leave the world behind. Sorry, I'm gonna mess up. Sometimes it's good to leave the world behind you for a while and just be yourself. Family, I'm gonna say it again. Sometimes it's good to leave the world behind you for a while and just be yourself.
Exactly. Exactly. I don't care what you're saying. Okay? I don't care you're saying why are you pouring it in the cup when you could just drink it out the bottle. No. I have to drink it out of this. Okay?
Exactly.
It tastes better in here.
It tastes better in there. So
Okay? Jealous, you're jealous. It's a saying that we say.
For a lady. It's our inside joke. What would y'all love?
See? Tastes better.
Alright, family. Wow. Tom.
Oh, God, that was so good.
That was delicious.
We devoured that food.
One more bite out of the egg.
Go ahead. Can you have that
Take one more egg.
I'm
Sit
full.
down.
If I even eat that piece right there, I might.
Family, it's the only time I eat egg. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. If you're new, subscribe and come join the Greedy Couple. We talk about anything.
Pure nonsense.
We are the Greedy Couple. They are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye. Sasha in here?
Yeah, she is.
That was delicious.
Oh, I got corn.
Greedy like your mama.